What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing review of a ring light. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys the ring light right now that I'm going to unbox. This ring light is pretty much impressive. It is the, you can see it, ring light, fill light, and they come with 3 different temperature. Right, as you can see right here, you have the light temperature, the warm temperature, and the cool temperature. So I'm going to show you guys inside. So inside it comes with a remote right there. This is the top part where you screw the light on, and also comes with the charger. Also comes with 3 holder that you can put your phone in. So these are 3 holders. Yes guys, and this is it. This is the ring light. Right now, right here, as you can see, it has 3 slots where you can put these holes on. So I'm gonna just set it up right now to see. Right, so that's everything inside this box. So let's put this aside. Now we have our stand right here. Okay. So this is the stand. Let me open it out. Okay, here is it. Open out. So this is stand right here. Let me, I'll just tap it smaller. Put it on this table right here. This is stand guys. So I'm gonna set it up right now to see how it's work and how well I love it. So what I'm gonna do now, get about this light right here. Okay, so this is a small part. You can see it. I'll come closer. So I'm gonna put this part right here, right on the top of this. So I'm gonna screw it on right now. Perfect. So this is the part that the light gonna go on, right? So what I'm going to do now is to get my ring light. I'm gonna screw it on, screw it around. This is the power adapter right here. I'm going to plug in now to see how bright this is and how well this can use for my videos. So I'm gonna start making some TikTok videos soon, some more TikTok videos, and also for my YouTube channel. Now guys, you can also follow me on TikTok at Ackeem Sterling. Yes, I'm making more TikTok videos soon. So I'm gonna plug in this right now. Let me get it up. So on here you can see there's 4 buttons on here, and these are basically sensitive touchpad, right? So I'm gonna touch it right now. Wow, look how bright that is. Look how bright that is. Alright, so remember here guys, I have the remote, which you're gonna need. So these use basically AAA batteries. So I'm gonna need 2 AAA batteries. So I'm gonna get the AAA batteries for this. Yes guys, I'm back with the AAA batteries. I'm gonna put them inside right now. Okay. And I love, right, so on here you can turn it on and off. So I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna also turn it on. Now right here you can see that I can change the color. So a different color right there. And I'm going to also change the color again. Wow, that's a more warmer color. That is a warm temperature right there. So I'm going to change it again to this color. So this one is a more of a brighter look, guys. And also, I think you can blink. Turn it on back. I don't know, I'm gonna get it to blink. But yeah, you know what this is. Alright, so on here you can see I can change different percentage light. So I can turn it down to 50%. I can turn it to 100%. I don't know if this thing working. Yeah, here there's it, guys. That's what I'm talking about. You can flash it up all 3 different colors. If you want a more different vibe to it, you can also put it in that, right? To get it to different vibe, and you understand. So that's where you can get it. So I can also turn up the light right here. Turn it up, get a brighter display. So I'm gonna stop it. Yeah, I like this one. So it depends on your vibes and how you want it to display. Now, next thing I'm gonna move on to is this holder. Now it comes with basically 3 holders I showed you earlier. So yeah, so this is basically adjustable. You can adjust it. So what you can do is to screw it on right here. And you can adjust this to whatever position that you want it. That's how you set up it right there. It's very easy and simple to set up, guys. Very simple to set up. So right now I'm gonna test it out to see how well it is. I'm gonna record videos and you guys gonna tell me the difference of how it look from my intro. You know that when I was using my intro I didn't use any ring light, so I'm gonna show you guys how it look now, and you guys can compare to see which one look better and if my video quality improve in my lighting. So I'm gonna show you guys that right now with my phone. So let's get into it. Alright, so now guys, I set it up. So you're gonna tell me the difference when I have on a ring light and when I don't have on a ring light. So I'm gonna turn it off right now. And that's it, guys. No ring light. I'm gonna turn it on right now. And that's it. So because I'm in front of it right now, I can also use the button that are on here. So I'm gonna change the different temperature. So let me change it. Right, so I'm gonna turn it up, get it bright, so you guys can see brightness of this thing. I see how bright it is. So I'm gonna change the temperature again. That's a more warm look. So you guys can see the difference in different temperature. Change it again. Cause this thing comes with 3 temperature. So show you different temperature now. Yeah, I think I like this one more. This one give me a more, different vibes. Now, as I mentioned earlier, there are 3 of these inside the box, so you guys can install this on different sides, on different angles, depending on which angle that you want to shot your videos. So depending on your style and how you want it to. So guys, tell me down in the comment section what you think about this. If you want to get one for your YouTube channel, or you're gonna do some TikTok videos, you want to make podcasts and those things. So let me know, guys, if you're willing to get one of these. And my honest opinion on this is that it's really worth it, and it also give my video a different look. So you guys can see most of my videos back in the past I wasn't using any ring light. Now guys, I'm going to show you what lights I was using. This right here, as you can see, this was the light I was using. Right, so pretty small compared to the size of that ring light that I was using. So it's a upgrade for me, right? So let me know what you guys think of how this look and the quality of this video. So guys, remember, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more reviews and unboxing like this. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I see you in my next one. Peace.